are you thinking about looking for a home or thinking about possibly looking for a home that would fit your entire family? So maybe a multi-generational home. Stick around, you're not going to want to miss this video. My name is Megan Schoner. I'm a local real estate agent here on the Treasure Coast in Port St Lucie, Florida. And I love reaching out to you guys every single week and teaching you about why I love the Treasure Coast so much and helping you find your treasure of a home here on the Treasure Coast. Today, I wanted to talk to you a little bit more about multi-generational homes. So we are seeing more and more demand in our area as, maybe adult children are coming back to live in the house. Maybe you're having to take care of your parents and it's cheaper and easier for them to move into your home, but you need some extra space for everybody. So in today's video, we are going to check out one of the builders that is local in our area that has a kind of an in-law suite already built into it. And it's very affordable. They've got some great pricing. And here in Port St Lucie, Florida, currently the end of May of 2024, we have 1,647 single-family homes on the market, and of those, only 56 of them have an in-law suite, and most of them are coming from this builder. Today, I'm going to check out a new construction builder. They're what we call more of a volume builder, so they have a lot of quick move-in ready homes. And what's unique about this builder and this model is that they actually have a 1-bedroom, 1-bath with a living space for multi-generational living, or as an investor, if you want to use it and rent it out. It could be an Airbnb, it could be just a rental income. So come check it out. Okay, so I'm here at Californian Homes at their model center on Savona in Port St Lucie. This is what they're calling their Aspire series. These are move-in ready homes, so you can't really customize them, but they have all the main features that everybody likes. They've got the granite countertops. Most of them have the impact windows, gutters. They've got tile floor, so you don't have to worry about any kind of carpet. And just a lot of nice features. So I'm not gonna lie, from the outside it is a little bit deceiving because the house looks pretty small. At least to me it does. It's a little bit nondescript, but it has great living interior space. So come check it out. So as we come into this home, I don't know if you can see behind me, that's the front of the house. And then as we come through here, you'll see there's actually 2 doors. If you can see it behind me. So we've got the main door here and then this side door right there. And this side door is actually the entrance to the in-law suite. So that can be accessed from inside the house or from outside the house. So come take a look. Okay, so I'm in Californian Homes. It's called their Aspire series, and it is the Palmera model. I'm gonna give you a quick tour of this in-law suite. One of the really nice things here is that with these homes, there is no HOA. And you can access the in-law suite from the outside or from the inside of the home. If you're looking for some extra rental income, this comes fully equipped with a kitchen. It doesn't have the stove, but it's got the refrigerator and a microwave, a little special living area, its own bathroom and bedroom. So it's a great fit, and the prices are fantastic on this. What's really nice about it is, if you have adult children that want some privacy, or same thing, aging parents that want to be able to have their own space, but you still want to have them close, it's a fantastic opportunity for that. So as you walk through the main house, got a nice foyer. This is the entrance inside over to the in-law suite. As we come back, this is again one of the standard features is this ceramic plank floor. So there's no carpet anywhere in here. You have 1 bedroom over here. And then across the hallway, you have what would be the garage over here, laundry. You've got another bathroom here. Tub shower. And then you come into a really nice open floor plan. Large island, granite comes standard, 42-inch cabinets come standard, as do the stainless steel appliances. A large pantry, lots of cabinet space. And then you have dining room area, nice living room, nice bright windows. And with a lot of these, you do have the impact windows that do come standard. covered lanai, which is a great feature to have, especially in Florida and all of our outdoor living space. And then you come into the master with a large walk-in master closet, master bedroom. And then the master bathroom. This goes in with the shower. So with the price point on this coming in between $475 and $515 and having all of your closing costs paid for, this is a really great economical option. So even if you have a 3-bedroom or got a family and you're only looking for a 3-bedroom and you want to rent out the extra in-law suite, it's a great opportunity to do that. If you have kids that might be graduating and want their own space, another great opportunity for that. Or you have aging parents and they just want a little bit more space, or you have a lot of out-of-town visitors and you want to have space there. If you want to do an Airbnb, it's another option there too if you're looking for an investment. Okay, so in terms of pricings on these homes, they currently have a lot of quick move-in homes. One of the things that they do with the quick move-in homes is if you use their lender, they pay all your closing costs, and to secure one of the homes, you only need $5,000. It's a great deal. The prices on this range from about $475,000 all the way up to about $515,000, depending on the lot location. But they all come with standard features. There is no carpet anywhere. It's tiled throughout. You either have a choice of the square tiles or of the plank tiles, which is kind of the wood look tiles that are all the rage down here. Everything comes with gutters and covered lanai. There are 2 different series, the Ascend, which is like their upgraded features on that, and those do include the hurricane impact windows. So that's a really, really nice feature. So with the Palmera model, it is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, over 2,100 square feet. And some of the highlights are there's no HOA fee on these home sites, and the home sites are big. They're about 125 by 80. So there's definitely enough room to add a pool if you'd like. And there's no need to worry about as is because you do have a new home warranty with these homes. And the final price, you don't have to worry about that too because you're already upgraded with the granite, the tile throughout, the gutters, and the covered lanai. Everything's included in the price. And the other thing too is that securing the home is really easy. Only $5,000 for your deposit until closing. That's the only thing that's due. And if you do use their lender, you do get all your closing costs paid for. Because they are a national builder, they also are able to provide flexibility on your move-in date. So there are quick move-in ready homes available now, really through the end of the year. So if you are thinking about making a move, this is a great option to check out, and I would be happy to help you find your home. If you are thinking about purchasing new construction, again, I always remind you guys, reach out to me first and let me register you with the builder. It does not cost you anything. All the fees come out of their marketing budget. So it's no cost to you, and it is invaluable to have an agent representing you, someone on your side. The builders are looking out for themselves. They're not looking out for you. Let me be the bad guy for you. I have no problem doing that. So again, if you have any questions, always reach out to me. If you ever have any questions about the Treasure Coast, if you are looking for a home here in Port St Lucie or anywhere else along the Treasure Coast, I'd be happy to help you. Please feel free to reach out to me. Send me a text, a phone call, an email, set up a calendar appointment with me. All these wonderful people from you guys on YouTube and helping you find your treasure here on the Treasure Coast.